You are out of time with Bitcoin. You want to know why? Smash the like button. It's time for crypto news, fun on the right. And I'm telling you that maybe Bitcoin, it's going to $59,000. It's not ourselves. Some people telling you might be running out of time if Bitcoin goes to the next all-time high. And why would this happen? Well, we have here this new study from Galaxy Digital. They're telling us that you need to consider we have in 2024 maybe the ETF approval and also the halving. And how could the ETF approval affect the price? Well, they are having into consideration what happened with gold. And they expect, comparing with that situation, a rise for Bitcoin of the 74% in the just first year. And after that, a 6% up in the first month after the approval, and then going slower and slower going down. But if we go to TradingView, link in the description below, you can see that 73% up would go around $59,000 after the approval, and then we might go to the $64,000, which, if you remember last videos, we told you about our plan. We have no idea. This is not financial advice, but maybe we said we will be around the previous all-time high from April 2024, and then in the new all-time high, whatever it is, 1 year later. So again, now that prediction from Galaxy Digital going to the same point we expect. And also a lot of people saying in crypto Twitter, remember, the halving event is just around 165 days out, and the first Bitcoin ETF to be accepted is probably happening under 60 days. So two main things that may make Bitcoin unstoppable, as we told you in the last video, watch them all, smash the like button. And today we go further and we found this video from Jose Luis Cava. Watch them all, Bolsa Cava. I leave you the link in the description below. And the idea is that Bitcoin has been chosen by the gods. How is so? Because we have one candle called the candle of God. That candle means the trend is changing for good, and we had it. Remember that Bitcoin just went from $30,000 to $35,000 in just 1 day. This allegedly, according to this expert, this kind of behavior is telling us that Bitcoin might have now entered in a bullish market. And now the idea would be that it might correct a little bit as it's doing, but it's correcting in order to keep on going up. Where? Maybe to the $40,000 line. That's where I put the next line. We'll see about it. Also, this expert believes that the bonds are going to go higher and that maybe economy in United States is not as strong as it seems to be. So, will we enter in recession in United States in the last quarter of this year? Maybe so. Remember that in the crypto sphere, we had $110 billion in just 24 hours, which is a crazy amount. You can see here with the total market cap for the crypto world, how we are breaking previous highs in that total market cap, which is good, but we are being quite crazy. It's over, we're back, it's over again, it's so over, we're back, we're so back, and again, and again, and again. Remember, past videos, we told you about how Bitcoin was listed in the iShares Spot Bitcoin Exchange Trading Fund, all that DTCC stuff, and how important that was. Well, forget about it. We were so back, but now we are so over again. The idea is the ticker, the IBTC, is not longer appearing in the DTCC website. So was this a mistake? Was this a hack? Or somebody got a call, what are you doing? It's not the time yet. And then decided to go back to take off the ticker. It just disappeared from the site. You remember the other day we told you about the fake news from Cointelegraph that sent Bitcoin up with this green candle. We told you everything in this video, the Bitcoin ETF and the fake news. Well, that was maybe manipulation from Cointelegraph, insider job, just this guy, or this was something intentional. And we told you there that you can see how the market is easily manipulated, and this kind of information, if the ticker is there or the ticker is not, can move the price thousands of dollars. So maybe that's what they are doing, playing with us. And now we call not just the fake news, but the ghost listing. We have that new candle with the ghost listing. But once you think it's over and price is going to go down, we're back again. Why? Because the ETF is back again in the DTCC. So it's on, it's not, it is right now. We don't know if it will be there this afternoon or tomorrow. And it's gone and it's back, and we start all over again. Right now, Eric Bachunas telling us that it's back. So we'll have a look. We'll see tomorrow where it is and if we are back or we are so over right now. Also, we have some more fake news, like the ARK21 shares ETF is not going to be in that list, but we saw it. Some people with Paint, with PowerPoint, with Photoshop listed that. And again, careful with the fake news, and remember that the crypto market is so thin, is so weak, that just fake news can make the price go up and down for good. Remember this, especially if you are trading with leverage up or down. If you're holding for the next years, maybe we are not so bad. The website for that DTCC was down. Everybody was making jokes and speculating. What was it listed, then wasn't. Bachuna saying that maybe it was too soon because they need to accumulate it just a cheaper price. They don't want Bitcoin to go higher. So what do you think about that? And we'll tell you what we find in our research in the next crypto news. We told you today that Arthur Hayes believes that Bitcoin is not going up because the halving or the ETF approval, but because of the military waste in United States. As people now are not finding in bonds interest, they go into riskier assets like, for example, Bitcoin. Who knows? Maybe. So thing is also that in the CNBC, they talk about Bitcoin yesterday, of course, and you can expect that everybody will ask you about Bitcoin when the price is up again. It's all over. The same thing. The nightmare is going to be back, and everybody will ask you, should I buy now? Should I buy now? You should buy today. We told you that your last chance is maybe here in previous videos. Watch them all, smash the like button. And who needs you to hear from that Bitcoin is going higher? You have here the billionaire Ricardo Salinas in a whole interview saying that it's better to sell bonds and buying Bitcoin. The market today is going to this correction. Mina down for good, but Link keeps on going up. The most important ones fighting for the green. And the market keeps greedy in the 72 more than yesterday. But I have some fears, some concerns. One is that dollar is going up. I don't like that. And the other thing is that we feel, by a little bit, but we feel the gap in the CME futures in the top that we told you so many videos ago that we should sometime soon fill. We filled it. And now remember that sometimes we fill the gap and we go back to fill the other ones we left, the homework. So remember, we have one in $30,000 and another one close in the 26,500. We'll see about that. But in a brighter side, you have here the open interest on CME exchanges topping $100,000 for Bitcoin for first time in history, revealing maybe that retail investor is surging its interest into Bitcoin. Remember, if you don't know what this open interest means, it's like more and more people are saying they are going to sell or buy Bitcoin at a certain price at a certain point. So again, more and more interest out there. Ethereum just finding resistance in other moving averages. And today we zoom out with the idea of breaking the 100 moving average. Remember, we're watching that since long time ago. But now what happened? Not the last time we find resistance. and we draw this line, but the next time we break it in a positive side. And you can see here in the gray that the idea would be with both of those behaviors that Ethereum should still go higher, maybe to $2,000 and then go down. But we'll see if this times is the same. More things to be concerned about. This is an old fear, BlockFi, and now maybe good news for you. It's going out of bankruptcy. That means that you might get some of your money back. Be careful. A lot of phishing, a lot of scams. They will sell you emails. Those are lies mostly all the time. But I would recommend you to go to blockfi.com in your computer, not app anymore, and try to go to withdrawals and see if you can withdraw your money. Do that and tell me in the comments below so I can use your experience to other users. Thank you very much. I'm going to try myself and we will comment that here on FunOntheRide. And worst news, if you were just confident with trading bots, well, hopefully you're not in Maestro, because Maestro trading bot was exploited for $500,000. And it's also bad that Bitcoin is setting new all-time highs in countries around the world. Argentina, Egypt, Laos, Lebanon, their fiat currency going down for good. And also a huge concern, Ledger, remember all that fiasco about the recovery. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't, but it's quite scary. They launched it, they didn't hear the community, and they launched it anyways. Here you can see the explanation. Let me find the video for you. Here we go to the explanation. Just a sec. They want us to subscribe. We want to watch the video.
Scared of losing your secret recovery phrase? Scared of losing your secret recovery phrase? Like forever?
Well, maybe we are scared of that, but if you go to the end, they will tell you that they break the phrase in 3 parts. Those go to 3 different locations. Okay, that's cool, whatever. But the idea then is that if you want to restore them, you just need your ID and then to scan your face. So as you can see, someone can steal or take from online your license, and also they can scan your face from a picture. So I don't trust this method. What do you think about that? We are now trying to find an alternative. And remember that I bought my Treasure Safe 3 and I'm gonna have it at home soon enough, and I will create your tutorial for you. So if you want to do as myself, because you don't trust Ledger anymore, remember that recovery thing is something you have to pay for, and it's voluntary, allegedly. But I'm losing the trust in the company. So I want to try a different option, and now I'm going to try with Trezor. Because maybe with Ledger, you will have there some small amount of money, but if you have some kind of money that you consider important for you, well, I not feel secure anymore. So remember to buy them with the link in the description below, and I leave you in the description below also a giveaway. Thank you for coming to the end of the video, and this is a present for you. A giveaway, you can win one of these 5 Kakebo temporal journals. Do you know what the Kakebo journal is? That method where you can save up to 30% of your income. I have no idea. That's why I want this diary. I'm going to participate. It's very simple. You just have to follow these instructions. So maybe I win it, and I learn, and I will teach you about the Kakebo journal. And also remember that Ramp Pro is coming next month, and if you use the link in the description below, you'll have 3 months for free. So take advantage of that. And now more crazy stuff. This is a DeLorean in Zaragoza. Yesterday, CL Crypto came from the future telling us that you should pay attention to your tax report. And if you have the information before 31st, then you can move. But if not, then it would be a disaster for you. So you might need coin tracking, link in the description below with a 10% discount. And go to CL Crypto YouTube videos to watch them all. And now for the cat section, this guy just dreaming, having the financial freedom so close, but still dreaming about it. Poor Kitty. What about this guy learning in Fun on the Ride about cryptocurrencies, artificial intelligence, and a lot of other stuff? This is what we need to do. Keep on learning and fighting the setbacks like this rider is fighting back to the market. Be careful with the cat. Find some friends like this kitty, but be careful because some of them might make you fall. So careful with that and keep on working like this cat. So elegant, working every day like Jordan Peterson tells us to do our bed and go to your office, but do not be mad like this guy. Elegant, but mad, trying to bite the boss. Careful with that and also relax, chill. Somebody might use you as a mouse place. Interesting. If you want this in Spanish, go to our primary Fun on the Ride channel. If you want more in English, just wait till next crypto news. Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!